institutions are definitely coming in as well. We think we'll start to see some institutions move in on first the supply side, staking their XRP here, but also we see a lot of interest on the demand side, which are in the end the target clients or users on the buy side that we are targeting is to see the large centralized exchanges and even more traditional finance institutions that have not been entering DeFi space in size to come in because they're going to be able to access this cover that is going to allow their deposits to be more protected. And so we're going to see a synergistic effort where institutions who have idle XRP on their treasury balances or users in these centralized exchanges being able to supply to earn premiums and rewards on their capital that's just been sitting there as of right now. And then either those same institutions or other institutions coming in on the buy side.